Welcome aboard our 2026 Boston Whaler 365 Conquest. 365 with a model number means 365 days of endless fun out in the water, enjoying all your favorite activities. The Conquest series gives you the versatility to have lots of outdoor seating as we have out now, then could fold up for a cockpit space ready for all your offshore fishing adventures. We have a 12-foot beam in this cockpit area on the boat, which gives you lots of stability, very comfortable space that can also fold up to give you all your fishing capabilities, but then also have really nice dining, entertaining space. Lots of rod holders on the back. You have freshwater shower and raw water hookup to be able to clean out the boat very nicely. Sure shade up above will retract out to give you some great shade when you're offshore in your fishing adventures or anchored up at the sandbar. 425-gallon fuel capacity gives you a great range to get out to those faraway fishing adventures or to your next favorite destination to spend the night on the boat for the weekend. We have some excellent yacht-style cleaning with Whaler. Everything is heavy-duty bracket on here, 316 stainless, fish well on the back. So easy walk-through access, so giving you a lot of ability to fish, but also a great cruising boat for your adventures. We're now inside our helm/galley, some versatile seating throughout. On the port side, you'll have flip-back seating. Table will lower down into a filler cushion, so you'll have a nice little day bed underneath the hardtop, and then comes up to be a very nice table for eating inside the boat. We have glass on your starboard and port side with opening windows, and then your huge full glass windshield with electric vents to give you lots of airflow when you need it, and they can close up and give you very comfortable AC and heat temperature control in the cabin. Up at the helm, we have our beautiful bezel glass with our Simrad twin 24-inch chart plotters, and then not to leave your favorite passenger out, but you have another Simrad GPS chart plotter screen, gives them all the same functionality. Whaler has its own digital system on the boat to give you all the access to your lighting, your pumps. Every control you can think of can be controlled through your MFDs, or you have some physical controls as well. Seakeeper on board will keep you unbelievably positioned no matter what the sea conditions are, so that'll keep all your guests happy on board. Guests usually dread going down in the cabin space aboard boats, but not on 365 Conquest. Lots of head clearance when you come down into the cabin, and a lot of natural light coming through your port and starboard windows, as well as 2 skylights. Sitting down at the table down here is very comfortable for 4 to entertain, and then push down on the table, and then an electric positioning will create a nice bed in your forefront of the 365 Conquest. Boston Whaler has created a very luxurious galley below on the 365 Conquest. Beautiful Corian countertops, attention to detail with easy access to your sink, cup holders, your electric stove top, and then fridge freezer combo, as well as storage down below. Behind us is entry into the second or aft bed aboard the 365, and they did a phenomenal job of giving you a lot of head clearance to get down in here to not feel claustrophobic, nice shades to close off this bedroom, as well as storage, and very comfortable for even relaxing down there to watch your favorite movie. Now up on the bow of the Boston Whaler 365 Conquest, usually this space is kind of a wasted space, but Whaler did a great job with adding some very, very comfortable seating up on top of the bow, still keeping that beautiful attention to detail with teak on the sides, as well as grab rails and safety throughout the boat. You have a bow shade on here with 2 rod holders that will have poles hook in and then clip to the hardtop and give you a great oasis when you're anchored up at your favorite sandbar to have lots of entertaining space up on the bow. I hope you enjoyed your tour of our 2026 Boston Whaler 365 Conquest. My name is Chris Honig, and I would love to get you out in the water soon. Please give us a call at 910-256-8100.